Hello and welcome to my channel, Library of Knowledge. I am confident that we have all heard something about artificial intelligence. The enthusiasm for AI is growing at a rapid pace. Everyone wants to know how artificial intelligence works. In the modern world, we are gradually seeing the impact of AI technology on our daily lives. Let's take a quick look at artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence and discernment. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that studies and develops computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to intelligence demonstrated by machines rather than natural intelligence produced by animals such as humans. Leading AI textbooks define AI as the study of intelligent agents, or systems that understand their surroundings and take actions that increase their chances of attaining their objectives. However, prominent AI researchers reject this definition, which uses the term artificial intelligence to denote robots that simulate cognitive functions that humans connect with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving, advanced web search engines, recommendation systems, understanding human speech, self-driving cars, automated decision-making, and competing at the highest level in strategic game systems, e.g., chess and optical character recognition, for example, is typically left out of AI discussions despite the fact that it has become a commonplace technique. Artificial intelligence was established as an academic study in 1956 and has gone through multiple waves of optimism, disappointment, and funding loss, followed by new approaches, success, and renewed financing in the years afterwards. Since its inception, AI research has experimented with and abandoned a variety of methodologies, including brain simulation, human problem-solving modeling, formal logic, massive knowledge databases, and animal behavior imitation. Highly mathematical statistical machine learning dominated the subject in the first decades of the 21st century, and this technique has proven to be quite successful, assisting in the solution of many difficult problems in industry and academics. The many subfields of AI research are based on specific aims and the application of certain techniques: reasoning, knowledge representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, sensing, and the ability to move and manipulate objects are all conventional AI research aims. One of the field's long-term goal is general intelligence. AI researchers have adapted and integrated a wide range of problem-solving strategies to handle these issues, including search and mathematical optimization, formal logic, artificial neural networks, and statistics, probability, and economics methodologies. Computer science, psychology, linguistics, philosophy, and a variety of other disciplines are all used in AI. Human intelligence can be so clearly described that a machine can be constructed to imitate it, according to the field's founders. This sparks philosophical debates about the mind and the ethics of building artificial intelligence that is human-like. Since antiquity, myth, fiction, and philosophy have all attempted to address these challenges, AI, with its vast potential and power, has also been suggested as an existential threat to humans in science fiction and futurology. Best example of artificial intelligence is Netflix leverages previous user data to suggest what movie a user should watch next, keeping them hooked on the platform and increasing their viewing duration. Facebook uses historical user data to automatically propose tags for your friends based on their facial traits in their photos. Large corporations employ AI to make the lives of their customers easier. Artificial intelligence's benefits: human mistake is reduced, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, assists with monotonous tasks, digital assistants, decisions made more quickly, maker of reasoned decisions, applications in medicine, enhances security and facilitates communication. Artificial intelligence in everyday life. Here's a rundown of AI applications you can utilize in your daily life. Artificial intelligence is utilized in online shopping to present users with customized recommendations based on previous searches and purchases. Smartphones using artificial intelligence provide tailored services. AI assistants can easily answer inquiries and assist users in organizing their everyday activities. Machine translations. AI-based language translation software can assist users understand foreign languages by providing translations, subtitling, and language recognition. Cybersecurity, by recognizing trends and tracing the attacks. AI systems can assist in recognizing and combating cyber attacks. In the instance of COVID-19, artificial intelligence has been utilized to identify outbreaks, process healthcare claims, and monitor the virus. Future scopes and employment sector. AI jobs have been steadily increasing in recent years and will continue to develop at a rapid pace in the future. 57% of Indian businesses want to hire the right people to match the current market sentiment. The incomes of applicants who successfully migrated into AI professions have increased by 6 to 70% on average. According to studies, the demand for AI jobs has surged.